So I am gonna show you guys today where to get the cuticle oil, because you know you gotta have your nails moisturized so they can look cute. We're going to Walgreens. See? Walgreens. Like my shoes. Yep. What a beautiful day today. Guys, this is the Walgreens that has my eyelashes, and I've been asking them to put my eyelashes on stock. Talked to the main manager already. She said she's gonna look into that. I was like, excuse me, sorry. I was like, I'm you guys' #1 customer for eyelashes, so, and I never see my numbers on here. And she's like, don't worry, we're gonna help you. So my purpose of this video is because I'm gonna show you guys, look, I'm right here at the makeup section. I'm gonna show you guys where to get that cuticle oil so your hands can look super cute and they're out of it. But look, right here in the Sally Hansen department, it's supposed to be here, but I guess I took all of them. But look, yep, I did. Look, it's right here. It's $7.99, no, $7.77. But a customer did inform me that you could get the same oil at Target for a lot less. So, yep. Okay, that's all I have to say.